Hello student, now we will discuss converse of basic proportionality theorem, that is converse of BPT. It states that if a line divide any two sides of a triangle in the same ratio, then the line will be parallel to the third side. That is, if a line divide any two sides of a triangle in the same ratio, then the line will be parallel to third side. In triangle ABC, this is triangle ABC. D and E are points on AB and AC such that line DE divide AB and AC in the same ratio. That is, in triangle ABC, if AD upon BD is equal to AE upon CE, then according to converse of basic proportionality theorem, DE parallel to BC. Now what we are given in triangle ABC, this is triangle ABC, DE divide AB and AC in the same ratio, that is AD upon BD is equal to AE upon CE. What we have to prove? DE parallel BC. DE parallel BC, this we have to prove. Now construction. Suppose DE is not parallel to BC. Suppose DE is not parallel to BC, then from point D, draw DF parallel to BC. Now DF is parallel to BC. This we have constructed. Now proof. In the figure, AD upon BD is equal to AE upon CE. Put this question number 1. This we are given. Also DF parallel BC. This is by construction. Therefore, AD upon BD is equal to AF upon CF. Put this question number 2. This result is by BPT or by basic proportionality theorem. From question 1 and question 2, we get AE upon CE is equal to AF upon CF. Now, adding 1 both sides, we get AE upon CE plus 1 is equal to AF upon CF plus 1. Now take LCM both sides. What we get? AE plus CE upon CE is equal to AF plus CF upon CF. Now AE plus CE is equal to AC. Therefore we get AC upon CE is equal to AF plus CF is equal to again AC. Therefore we get AC upon CE is equal to AC upon CF. Now AC cancel each other. What we get? 1 upon CE is equal to 1 upon CF. Or 1 upon CE is equal to 1 upon CF, or CE is equal to CF. This is contradiction, as CE is not equal to CF. This will be equal only when E and F are the same point. That is, this is possible only when point E and point F coincide. Therefore, our supposition is wrong. Therefore, DE parallel to BC. Hence, prove. This is the converse of BPT or converse of basic proportionality theorem. Thank you very much.